Hi guys, so I want to make a video on how I make design in Adobe Illustrator, and then I will upload this design into Society 6. So we create new document. I will make the design 1000 by 1000 pixel. I will make a very simple design. I will use the pen tool, and then we can change the color here. I will remove the stroke and fill the color with some light blue. Okay, we can move this over here, and then I'm gonna make a very abstract design. Or you can also use the curvature tool. It will automatically generate the curve, so you don't need to drag. You can also drag, but the automatic feature is already useful. I will click randomly to create various shapes. I think that is enough, so we can move around just to make it very random. We can scale it. Or we can also duplicate by holding the Alt on the keyboard and click and drag. And then I will fill a different color for each of the shapes. You can choose whatever color you want. I will choose a very random color. To change the color, you need to select the object or the shape and then double click on the color here on the fill color, and then you can choose whatever color you want. And then after you satisfied with your design, and then we need to scale this overall design for to be 7000 pixel, because in Society 6 it will match most of the product size. I will show you in a bit. So we go to the artboard tool we go to window and choose control to see the artboard size. We can change here. I will lock constraint, so if I change the width, it will automatically change the height also. So I will change it to 7000 pixel. You can zoom in and out by holding the Alt on the keyboard and scroll your mouse wheel. And then I will select the design, the shapes, and then scale it. You need to scale while holding the shift on your keyboard. If not, it will distort your overall shape. After you have finished, we need to save. We go to File and Export as. I'm gonna create a new folder and name this design as Abstract. And choose the file format as a PNG. Click the use artboard, export, and then choose the medium PPI, so it will be large enough for printing purpose. In case your background color is default at white or black, change it to the transparent and click OK. So this is my design after exported. So on the next video, I will show you how to upload into Society 6. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like if you think this video is helpful.